High plank object taps challenges your core, shoulders, and stability all at once. This is a simple move you can do anywhere to improve control, balance, and coordination. All you need is your body and a small object. Let's get to it. Alright, you're gonna get yourself in a plank position. Bring your feet together or slightly open. Shoulders directly over your palms. Now you have to squeeze your glutes, squeeze your abs as tight as you can. Realign your spine, keep it in one straight line. Nothing's gonna move here. And now we're gonna slowly start tapping the object. So you don't wanna move your hips around. You don't wanna wobble much. Pretend like there's a cup of hot coffee on top of your back, and the more you move your hips, the more you spill that hot coffee. It's gonna burn you. You wanna stay as stable as possible for the whole duration of the movement. Keep your head neutral, meaning keep looking down or at the object. Tap, tap, alternate your palms every single time. Start with 10-20 taps and progress to 50 or even 100. Good luck.